Bitcoin is crashing. What? Do you want to know the last information about the crypto world? Why we are going so down? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto a tope. Today we are not happy because we are in the red in the market. We are going to talk about that, but first let me tell you that we are 21 days away of blockchain land in Nuevo León. 7 October 2022, the most important event in the crypto space in Latin America. So if you want to go there, you're gonna have, with the link in the description, a 40% discount. But if you want to watch it online, then with this link you're gonna have 100% discount. So thank you, Binance, for this sponsor, and you have there your links. Also, if you are in Argentina, our partners, our sponsors, CoinX, are going to sponsor this event called the Centralizar 2022, and this is awesome because you are gonna have 100% discount there. Why? Because it's free. So we love free content. They want to show you about blockchain and crypto, and it's going to be in Argentina, in Pinamar 17th of September, Bahia Blanca 23 of September, and Corrientes 30 of September. So if you're there, I leave you link in the description where you will have all the information. The market's in the red, 9% for Bitcoin, 7% for Ethereum. Everything is dark red. We are down from the $1 trillion, and we are just some minutes ago with everybody talking about a possible shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern that would bring Bitcoin to the disaster. We'll see about that. We were happy that we were breaking those lines, random ones, but we failed, and we failed for good. We go up by stairs, but we take the elevator in order to go down. Right now, 20,000 range, that may be support, but I don't think so. I'm no expert. We'll see what will happen, but we had this gap in the CNMV, and I told you that we were going to feel it. Probably we did, but we didn't need to go as far as we did to the $20,000 range. So right now the trend is broken and we are going down. We have a magnet there with the next gap we have in the CME, which is in the 18,300 range. Beware of that. And why all this fell? Well, that's because we had data in United States about the inflation, and that's why prices went down. Ethereum too, it went to 1,500, and that's the news. The thing is, the experts were expecting better data than we have, and right now this is affecting even the Ethereum merge. And the experts are saying that maybe because of this, now we have a sell the news by the rumor sell the news event with Ethereum. Everything is in the red. It doesn't matter what you look at. For example, Standard & Poor's 500 down, gold is going down, Bitcoin is going down, also euro. There's no place to hide. And in today's videos are Chico Cryptos, the best YouTuber for crypto in the world. Well, he was explaining us that those experts were expecting a different thing that happened. They were expecting around 8.1 for inflation, so it will going to be better, but no, it was 8.3, which is better than 8.5, but not the expectations of the experts. And also remember that next week around Tuesday or Wednesday, the Fed is going to have a decision on interest rates, so we have to be paying attention to that. Experts expect 65 basis point raise, but Chico Crypto is telling us that maybe we can go to a full 100 BPS or full percentage point rate. So this is something really weird. This didn't happen since 1984, but inflation now is as bad as it was at that point. So we'll check this chart next week. Remember, we expect the news for 20 September, something like that. And remember past video when we talk about those yellow circles that maybe we are following right now. And what can you expect for price of Bitcoin next week. Also, today Chico Crypto is telling us that we're going to have new data. It's called the Producer Price Index. And if it's good, it will be good news. But if it's bad data, well, prices will go down for sure. Remember this chart where we were trying to find a pattern. Maybe Bitcoin was having a behavior as he had here between those skin slopes. Well, we didn't, because if we had, we had broken this support, this resistance line, 5 of September, 1 of September. Remember all those back higher highs. We have to break that line, and we didn't. So right now we have a new pattern. What I did is I took just from the last bottom to the top where we didn't break the line, because we didn't break the line right now. And if we do that, we can expect price of Bitcoin going down till 16,000 range for October the 22nd. And after that, I didn't continue the pattern, but we will go lower than that. So very bad news. The crypto winter is gonna be for the winter too, according to these stupid ideas of myself. Do not trade with my crazy ideas. This is Bitcoin falling. This is United States stock market falling, and this is Asia markets falling today too. So everything down, but the dollar, that is going up, and that's not good for us. We went close to the moving average of 200, but we didn't break it. We didn't even touch it. So we keep going down. And also for RSE, we see that finally this was resistance, and we are going back, not just drawing the line like this with previous highs, but also Matthew Highline is telling us that if we draw the line horizontal, then also this is the resistance line we have to break. If you want to be optimistic with this indicator, well, we just broke the 3-day indicator line, the resistance there. So maybe we will go up. I don't think so, so we'll see. Do not get so crazy about all of this. Miguel Almazan sent us this by Twitter, and he is going to the shower and he is making trading there. So don't get so obsessed, and be very careful with trading, because sometimes trading, trying to catch the dip, as Andy VZ told us, is like catching this egg in the fly, which is so risky. And we have a calling for Ethereum, guys. Well, this is the last warning. Why is that? Because we are just hours away for the merge Ethereum 2.0. If you want to watch the special we're gonna be live at that moment tomorrow in Spain around 7. Just come and watch the show with us. We're going to the next world, the metaverse of Ethereum, the 2.0. We'll see how things work out, and you have homework to do to be ready to that show. If you didn't watch these 3 videos, Ethereum 2.0, the time of the truth. Also, this one where an expert believes Ethereum is going to be to $3,000 before end of the year, and this one where you have 7 keys you need to know, 7 things you have to do before the merge. You have this in Spanish in Fan on the Right, but also you have this in English in Fan on the Right Crypto, which is our secondary channel. Don't miss that out. It's just one day till Ethereum becomes the biggest deflationary asset on the planet. The Ethereum issuance will drop 90% per merge. Current issuance is 4.3 and will go to 0.4%. This coupled with EIP 1559, which bore 75% of transactions fees that were paid to miners, will make Ethereum net deflationary from day one of the merge if gas prices are above 15 wei. So good to know, as this girl is telling us, the merge in Ethereum is going to change everything. This was said by our friend Aketza Aguilera, who wrote this book, You Can't Miss. Also, we have here the price for Ethereum. We fell already 14% as we predicted it would happen, but we expected that after the merge, or maybe one day before it, not yet. So right now, what can we expect? Maybe now we have to go down 63% in Ethereum. Watch past videos if you want to understand that, if you missed that. And if we go as far as 63% down, we will go to this line of support we drew in the past in the $645 for Ethereum. So crazy, but we are almost in that risk. Also, Coinbase, we have bad news for the merge and staking of Ethereum. Allegedly, Coinbase can blacklist your stake in Ethereum as the smart contract is showing. We don't want that. That's not decentralized at all, and that means that they can take your money if the regulator asks them for it. Also, big shocker, Coinbase is having issues where you can trade during volatility. So those are a huge company. This is a huge company, and you might have trouble when everybody's trying to use it or when the price has volatility, as it happened in 2017, 16, 18, as you remember. So if you want that to happen to you, maybe you can avoid it by using Atani, which is an app where you can trade using some exchanges, and maybe the exchange is down, but it depends on why is it down. Maybe you can still use it through Atani. It's free, so just give it a try. Also, you can do technical analysis with TradingView with the paid version without paying. So it's just a win-win for you, absolutely. More good news for Ethereum. We are in the cover of Financial Times and also in page 13 for article, and also Bank of America is telling us that the merge is a good thing for Ethereum. It might bring institutional money into Ethereum, as right now it will have not problems with being green according to Agenda 2030. Also, everybody wants a hard fork with a split. Everybody's trying to find the airdrop, but be careful because there are a lot of scammers like this guy using a lot of cell phones. If you want to be safe, just use the ledger, and do not buy a ledger today. Wait until tomorrow, because we are gonna have a special offer celebrating Ethereum 2.0. Also, you will need in this occasion an Ethereum address. So if you don't have one, get ready for it. Tomorrow I will tell you everything in the program. We're having special one extra live at 7 a.m. in the morning. Also, if you need more information, well, they have this Twitter where you can find everything you want to know about the merge. And remember that I already did several videos about it that you can watch in order to be calm. Also, you will have to put all this in your portfolio, and the best way of having a portfolio for your crypto is coin tracking. For me, it's not just the best for taxing, but the best portfolio you can have, the more real. They are telling us in Twitter that the top crypto-friendly places are Portugal, Puerto Rico, Germany, Malta, and Dubai, and Spain is the last one. Do not come to Spain if you are a crypto lover, because the Spanish government hates crypto. They just love us to pay taxes. Also, good for the community. Thank you for sharing this. Binance Spanish is asking for the best crypto streamer, and some of you like Daniel Sanchez or Guillermo are saying that Fan on the Right is the best. Thank you very much. I leave you the link in the description just in case you want to give us a thumbs up too. We are in fear, but not extreme fear anymore, in the markets 27, even though we are in the dark red, even though that the bubbles are all red, but Celsius token, which is so crazy. We have a 13% down for Solana, for example, not good for the best ones. And, well, as we talk about this video from Chico Crypto, in the last part of it, he just gave me a lot of FOMO about GMX. Remember past videos where we talk about those DeFi projects that are supposedly to be better than the fiascos we had past summer, more reliable ones. So GMX is one of the best according to Chico Crypto. I have no money anymore. If you want to give me some donations, that's okay, but I'm not buying. Anyways, this is the chart for GMX, and I have no clue, but I believe that sometime in the future it will be lower than this in terms of price. Chico Crypto believes it's undervalued. Maybe it is, but I believe the market is going down. So again, this is not financial advice. It might just go 1000% up, as I am the contra indicator. 44 blocks we have validated in Cardano on the right. If you have some ADA in a different pool, come with us and help us validate. Thank you very much. We talk about Cardano because it's the king right now in GitHub. A lot of developers are giving a lot of development for Cardano there. Also Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama. Very important to see that it's real development being done for your project. We have $27 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, where if you are injured right now in the metaverse, you can sue everybody. Crazy stuff. So the thing is that maybe you have the glasses on and you break your arm, so you can sue now the agency that will take that case. But I want to go further than that, and I want to sue people if they break my car in the metaverse. This will make a lot of job posts, offerings. We will have a lot of lawyers in the metaverse, and we can replicate this world in the metaverse, and so we will find jobs there that we don't have in the real world. About our partners over the reality, they are now in Discord. Follow them. You have the link in the description, as CoinTracking did the other day. Now you also have over, and they have now one of those treasure hunts, and is related with my neighbor Alice, which is a GameFi, is a game to earn, a really great one, now with virtual reality associated with over the reality. You have also, you know, the treasure hunt and some prizes you can win if you are one of the best. Also, if you share content in your social media. So do that and get some OVRs and some allies due to this campaign. And we think about the development of the technology in the world, Bitcoin, Ethereum, we expect it to really get so far. And remember that Amazon in 1995 just had the first story published, and this was the picture they used. So imagine everything that has changed for Amazon since there. And one thing that can change humanity right now is to not be involved, because Jeff Bezos is one of the richest persons in the planet, if not the richest one, and he can't avoid that. So really that's something that even with all the money in the world, you can't avoid. There's a huge opportunity, as this guy is telling us. Well, if you want to find opportunities, a good one would be to find something the rich people are doing and make this cheaper so that the poor people can use it. That's a nice idea. I like that. And I love Brian Tracy. You know about it. And I love him because of this. It's in Spanish, but I will translate it for you. They say that people that drink beer live less, but less stressed and less unhappy. So that's what they say. And also, you want to know about Brian Tracy and how it changed my life for good. This is for me the most important information I got in my life. Well, you have in my channel this video I recorded summing up the book. And now, happy things. This guy is skating through a huge tunnel, 30 people there, and it's the longest a dog has surfed in history. Crazy and happy stories. Also, what about this dog? It's huge. We can use it to fight the bear. And here we have another huge dog, but not huge for itself, but because he has a non-coiner, really small one. We call that a cheeky coiner, and he is helping it learn about crypto. Also, this dog is teaching this small kid how to trade with safety. And what about this cat that is being helped? Also, she's bringing him away from a scam. Thank you very much to all the crypto experts that bring some no-coiners to the community and make some of the beginners be experts in the future. And happy as this DAC is, we feel so like this one, and also we feel a lot about this one that is so crazy, and everything is a good news for him. Be happy even though the Bitcoin is sinking. If you want to learn Spanish, go to our primary channel where you have this same video in Spanish, and we are researching already, and be ready for tomorrow's video, especially Ethereum 2.0 live 7 a.m. in Spain. Crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, love, peace, partying, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the